Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn our first hello world program in Python. So let's go to our PyCharm editor. So in our previous lecture we have already created a Python project. So our project name is Python project. Here what we will do, we will create a new file. So to do that you can just right click and then new, and then you can see here file, and here you can see Python file. So let's create a Python file. Okay, and you can give any name. Okay, so here we will give name as hello world. Okay, you can give any other name. Okay, so here you see hello world.py file got created. So here we will write our first program. Okay, so let's write print, and then you say whatever you want to print. So let's say hello world. Okay, basically this is what you want to print, hello world. Now what we will do, we will execute this file, right? To execute, what you can do, you can just do a right click and here you see run hello world. Okay, just execute it. So here you see hello world got printed. Okay, whatever you want to print, let's say you want to print my first Python program and then hello world. Okay, and what you do is just do a right click and run. Then what you see here, my first Python program hello world. So basically using this print keyword you are able to print whatever you have written here, right? So now you have successfully written your hello world Python program. So using this print keyword you can print anything in Python. If you are familiar with Java, this is like system.out.println, but in Python it is just print. Okay, so few key points to understand here. In Python, anything inside print is displayed on the screen. That is what we are seeing here. Everything we want to display on the screen is included inside the parenthesis. Here you see, here the parenthesis started and here the parenthesis ended. Okay, the text we want to print is placed within a double quote. So here you see whatever we wanted to print, it is inside the double quote. Okay, you can also use single quote. Okay, but anyway here we have used the double quote. You can also use like this, there is no problem. Okay, just execute. See, this got executed. Okay, anyway we will just use double quote here. One more thing, if you want to add any comment to your Python code, right, then how you will do it? You just add this hash and then you add any comment for, or let's write something meaningful. Here I am writing my first Python program. Okay, so basically this is a comment. Okay, and then this is our code. Okay, so maybe you would have been thinking, what is comment? So comments are simple sentences that we use to make the code easier to understand. Comments explain your way of thinking and describe each step that you take to solve a coding problem. Comments are completely ignored and not executed by Python interpreter. If you will see here, right, whatever we wrote here using, first we wrote hash and then all these things, right? So this is not executed. This is just to understand. So if someone else is reading this code, then they will easily understand, okay, maybe you are going to write a Python program. That is what you have added in your comment. Okay, so it is always a good practice to add some comments when you write a program or any piece of code. Your comment should be simple and should explain what exactly you are doing there. Let's say you have multiple lines of code, right? Let me just write this print statement multiple times. Okay, and then let's say execute it. So here we see it is getting printed 4 times. Okay, now you want to comment all these lines, right? Then how you will do it? Obviously you can just add all these things here, right? But if you don't want to do like that, then you can use a shortcut. Just what you do is just select all these things, and then if you are using Mac, you can just use command and then slash or question mark. Okay, it will comment out everything for you. Okay, if you are using Windows, you can use control plus question mark symbol. Okay, it will comment everything. If you want to uncomment, then again select it and just do command and question mark, or if you are using window, then you can do command and control and question mark. Okay, it will uncomment everything for you. So what we have learnt in this lecture? So we saw the hello world program in Python. Using print, you can print whatever you want. Okay, and the key points about the print is anything inside print is displayed on the screen or console. Everything we want to display on the screen is included inside the parenthesis. The text we want to print is placed within double quote. We can also use single quote to print text on screen. Next thing what we learnt is about comment. What is comment? Comments are simple sentences that we use to make the code easier to understand. Comments explain your way of thinking and describe each step that you take to solve a coding problem. Comments are completely ignored and not executed by Python interpreter. Okay, then using this hash symbol, you can write a comment. So that's all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.